Hey guys, thank you for watching. So for this video, I'm gonna cook some lettuce wrap burgers. I wasn't sure what we had at the house, so I came home, looked at the refrigerator, looked at the freezer, and I saw we had some burger patties. So what I'm gonna do is we had some leftover lettuce, some patties, and we had condiments already. So let me show you what I'm gonna cook for tonight. So I have some patties here that are still frozen. So I hate using the microwave to defrost. But I'm just going to throw them in there for a few minutes, and then I'm going to grill them. Not grill them. I'm going to put them in the skillet. And then I have the condiments right here. I got the lettuce wraps. So we use these. I got some cheese. And then I'm also using a reduced sugar ketchup. So it's actually 1 gram per tablespoon. So that's pretty good. I got some cucumbers right here. So that's going to go. And then I got some tomatoes. So that's going to go for the burger right there. And then I'm also going to make a salad for the side. So I got myself a salad, and then I got a lettuce wrap with some sausage, and at the end I decided to use the bacon fat to make some fried eggs. So there it is. All right, so get ready for the reveal.
Papa, get the eggs. Papa, get the eggs.
Okay.
Get the eggs.
Whoa.
Huevo. Sarah.
That's better than a regular burger. So that's it. I didn't have a plan when I got here tonight, but just looking at the refrigerator, you know, keeping keto food in the refrigerator helps a lot. And so that's it. I don't know what else to tell you. It's super good, super easy to make. Definitely a go-to meal. And yeah, that's it. Please subscribe. And if you have any questions, any comments, write them below. If you have any requests for meals, let me know. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye. Okay, bye.